Today may have been the first full day of spring, but it certainly didn't feel like it. 22 News anchor Ashley Afonso found out how local residents are dealing with this wintry March.
Most of western Massachusetts dodged what could have been a big storm Wednesday, but this has not been an easy month in terms of weather.
I'm tired of it, and I am so waiting for the summer, the warmth, everything to just get here. And for it to stop snowing. It's terrible. It's not supposed to be snowing right now.
4 nor'easters in 3 weeks, and there's still another 10 days left in March. But for other western Massachusetts residents, it comes with the territory of living in New England.
I was born here, so I'm good with it. So it was kind of funny in February, you know, it was warm, but I really want to get out and walk, and do a lot more walking, but the breeze is getting really tough. So
the good news for many is that there could be some relief on the way. Temperatures are predicted to reach 50 by next week. In Springfield, Ashley Afonso, 22 News.